So hello everyone and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. If you want to add a logo, signature or image to the footer of your Word document, here's how to do it. So firstly, open your Word document and double click the bottom of the page. This opens the header and footer section. Go to Insert, Pictures and select the image from your computer. Select the image and click Layout Options and choose In Front of Text. Now you can freely move the image around the footer. Just drag the corner handles to resize the image, then drag it into the position you want within the footer. Just double-click anywhere outside the footer to return to the main document. The image will now appear in the footer. You can use this method to add logos, signatures, or other images to your Word document's footer. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.